Always, it's the hips. The cornflower blue dress from the thrift store with the white eyelet daisies fits snug at the hips. Just enough play for the fabric to slip. Whenever I dance with you. Always it's summer, twilight in Florida after it's rained. Wet dirt and grass scent attaches to you like wind to cotton on a clothesline. It's ice-cold vodka and lemonade in a tall, slender glass. And always, it's a Cajun waltz. I squeeze your hip like the lead man's hands on the accordion. Steady and slow. The soft side of your face cradles mine and we're smiling. A little sticky in a pale blue dress. The sway of your hips. The sway of your hips.